Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to get a VPN for your Firestick and explain why NordVPN is the best choice. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Using the link, you can get instant access to NordVPN's fast servers, perfect for streaming on Firestick. A VPN on your Firestick lets you access movies, shows and apps that may be blocked in your country. It also helps you avoid buffering and protects your online privacy while streaming. NordVPN works especially well with Firestick because it has high-speed servers that can handle HD and even 4K streaming without interruptions. To get NordVPN on your Firestick, first go to the Firestick home screen and open the search icon. Type in NordVPN and select the NordVPN app from the results. Click Download or Get to install it. Once installed, open the app and log in with your NordVPN account. If you don't see the app in the store because of your region, you can change your Amazon account location to a country where it is available, such as the United States, and then download it. After logging in, choose a server location and connect. Once connected, your Firestick's IP address will change, and you will be able to access streaming libraries from that country. This works with Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney+, and many more. NordVPN is better than most other VPNs for Firestick because it offers SmartPlay technology, which makes it easier to stream without complicated settings. It also has stronger security, more reliable connections, and thousands of servers to choose from. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy smooth, private, and unrestricted streaming on your Firestick.